Oh, where am I? This is the backstretch infield wall. NASCAR is going to give me space to come up. He is not, so I'm going to brake. Now he gives me space. Keep freezing on the end of turns. Lap 4 here. Or here. Keep freezing. Oh, NASCAR has an issue. He's hard in the inside wall. Lightning is running away here. Lift. Back going. Get back going. Trying to win on my home track here. Oh, we got a car on the wall. NASCAR. 2 to go on the stage. 5. Oh, come on, car. Turn. Work with me here. I don't think we're catching lightning here. We're going to need to really help out NASCAR. I need NASCAR to gain a lot of ground. We're going to need to gain a lot of ground on NASCAR. He's gaining a good amount of time there. Good first recording saved. We're running 2 races today. Figure 8 race got recorded. NASCAR is making a lot of ground up here. We are making up ground too, but just not as much. Last lap of the stage. Now we got a lot of draft here. A lot of draft and catch up and stuff. Will it be enough to sweep the stages? We're going to wash up the track a little bit. How much ground do we get on the backstretch? We have momentum. NASCAR has more. Do they wreck each other going for it? NASCAR took a swing and a miss at Lightning. He's up into the outside wall. He's going to get passed for second in the stage. Do we have enough time to catch up to Lightning? He's going to come back at us. He missed us too. He is almost out of the race here if it was baseball, but Lightning wins the stage. Hopefully I win here. It's the first time I'm racing at my home track. So, if I win here, I'm going to be really happy if I win this. Four lap last stage. As a random dude. Are we going? Yep, we're going. Alright, we are indeed racing. Alright, so at the line, it will be 3 laps to go. I figured let's just go on. Worst thing you do is go backwards, bring out a yellow. Let's just go. Start the race again. Oh, I'm at the track. He completely missed us. 3 laps to go in the race at Michigan. And this is the 3rd tier series, so basically the truck series. If you're a NASCAR fan, if you're a Formula 1 fan, it's basically Formula 3. Yeah, we're gonna try to get the win here. So the first time Acres racing at my home track, so hopefully we get the win here. Keep hitting the apron, watching up the track. NASCraft is behind us. He's won 2 races so far this season. Both of those races that he won, I was leading off of turn 4 on the last lap, but he was able to steal them from me. Now here in Michigan, I won Auto Club, which is the sister track to Michigan. So we'll see what I can do here. 2 laps to go in the race. NASCraft chasing me way down the track. Contact made. He's going to try to get by. I'm going to be so aggressive the last lap. I want to win here so bad. Okay. Oh, he's going to force me to the apron. We have momentum off the corner. He's going to lift. Gives us space. He looks low. Does he try to wreck us? He missed. We're up the track, though, as well. Is he too far back to make up the time? We're up the track. He's going to get a good exit. White flag in the air. 1 lap to go in the Irish Hills. Here comes NASCraft in the 11 on the back bumper. Gives us a huge shove heading down into 1 and 2. He's going to send it. He is there. We're up into the wall. How aggressive do we get? In the draft, trying to catch up. How aggressive will he be? How aggressive will we be? To the bumper, to the inside. We are there. Roughing him up. Can we hold on? Clear. Yes, we are. Down the front stretch. To the inside. We block him. It's a drag race. We're in the infield. We get the win. He is not happy at all. I don't care. I am so happy. Let's go. What a finish. Let's go. Alright, so that's going to do it for the race, guys. If you want to see more, leave a like and subscribe to us. I'll see you next one. Goodbye.